I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You need the basics ready: power, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and your Apple ID signed in. Once done, bring your iPhone or iPad close to the HomePod Mini. Proximity triggers the automatic setup prompt. Make sure the device is unlocked and the Home app is open so iOS can detect the accessory. You do this because HomePod uses Bluetooth for initial discovery and Wi-Fi for full functionality, so both must be active and on the same network before you proceed. You'll see a card in the Home app asking to set up the HomePod Mini. Tap it and follow each prompt. Choose a room and name to make discovery easier for AirPlay and HomeKit. This is why naming matters. Wait through the configuring sequence until the app reports the device as added. Make sure to transfer Siri and iCloud settings if offered, because those links enable personalized responses and seamless handoff between your devices once the speaker is discoverable on the network. Once setup completes, confirm the Home app lists the HomePod Mini as online and reachable in the room you selected. This is how other devices find it for AirPlay. If the speaker remains undiscoverable, unplug it for 10 seconds and plug back in, then restart your iPhone. Simple restarts often restore Bluetooth and network discovery. If nothing changes, reset the HomePod using the top touch and retry setup. Reset is a last resort because it erases prior network bindings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.